Have you subscribed yet? Please, it means a lot to me. Subscribe so that you get more of the tutorials coming up. Alright, thank you. Bye. Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to pre-stretch your extension for your box braid. How to achieve this stretch look. You need a scissors to section the extension, brush to brush through the extension, cream to cream through the extension to make it more smooth and applicable. So the hair has been sectioned already into 4. I'm going to brush through it before I start anything. Brush through it to get all the knot from the hair. Then pull it. Hold it with your left hand. Use your right hand or use the other one that you are more comfortable and pull through it. If you pull it really longer, it means you want the hair to be very longer and it makes the hair really thin. So pull it a bit, not too long. Pull it and take the section bit by bit. If you take it very chunky, it means you are still going to have the thickness in it. So take it section, look, by section. And you pull it. Don't make it really tight. Loose your hand a bit so that it can be easily pulled. So you pull it. There are 2 methods of doing that. So when I finish with this method, I'll go to the other method. Then you choose which one is more easy for you to do. Method 2. Pick the hair into 2. Turn it the other way. Overlap it a bit. Overlap it a bit. Then you turn it again. You overlap it. Keep going. Just if the other method, the method 1 is difficult for you, keep dividing it, go that way. Divide it, you go that way. You divide that, you go it. Divide it, you go that. So you keep on doing that. You know it's getting much better. So you keep on doing that so you get that smooth and pointed tip. So you keep doing that. And this one take a bit longer time than the other one, but this one you don't lose much hair on the floor. So check which one you'll be much better off and use it. So when you are done with all your pulling, this is how it will look like. Then you pick it chunky like that. Then you go like that. You pick it, you go. You pick it, because if you comb it or you brush it just after the pulling, you are going to lose a lot of hair. So you do it section, and by doing that, you get all the knot out from the hair. So you keep on doing that. Then when you are doing that, you go all the way to the end, you pick it and you join that. Keep doing that so you see that it's all knot free. Keep doing that so you see that it's all So this is how the brush comes in again. Then you get your brush through it. Then you brush it. You take all that goes into the brush. You add it to it. So you end up not losing any hair out. So this time I'm going to apply the cream. So you can see how stretched that hair is. So this is how it looks. So easy to use. So easy to use. So we've done it a bit longer. We've been doing it for a bit while now. I like to pull it all the way to the end and add it because you don't want to lose any hair. So here you go. And this one, look. So which one will you prefer? I love this method. I love this method. Then I'm going to add my cream to it. So this one, look at how more stretched that is. How stretched that is. And I think when I'm in a hurry and a client is waiting, I prefer the first method. But when the person book it and I have enough time to prepare that, this one takes a bit longer time, so I use my spare time to do this because I prefer that. But when I'm in a hurry, I prefer the other one. Look at that. There's nothing sticking out. All the hair is smooth. Look. So choose your method right. This method 1 and this is method 2. So judge it for yourself. Thank you all for taking time to watch me, and subscribe below and you get more training and tutorial coming up. Bye.